Welcome. In the previous video we covered the basics of the matrix interface, and in this video we're gonna dive a little bit into the searches. So MLS stands for multiple listing service, so we're gonna search for listings. So first of all, you need to know the types of listings you can search for. You have multiple types, and RE1, RE2 single family / condo is where you would search for standard residential properties such as single family houses, condominiums, townhouses, co-ops, villas. And then you have RIN, which is residential rental income, and those are properties such as duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes. Then you have residential land and boat docks. So if you're looking for a vacant land or a boat dock, this is where you would go. Then you have residential rental, which is basically properties for lease. So if you're working with a tenant and you need to find a place to rent for them, then this is where you would go to do that search. Then you have commercial business, agriculture, industrial land. So these are going to be vacant land that are zoned for business, for commercial, business, agriculture, industrial. And then you have improved commercial, industrial. So those are going to be like your shopping centers, your warehouses, an office building, and hospital, a school. So basically a commercial property that has a building on it and has you could run a business from that building or use it for a commercial purpose. And then you have the business opportunity, which is basically a business that not necessarily includes a real estate property. So it could be, for example, a hair salon that is in a shopping center and the space is leased, but you can buy the actual business, where you would be getting the customers of the business name, and so on, and you would usually continue on the lease on the same terms that the business currently has it on, but you not always have a real estate property with it. And some businesses may come with a real estate property. So for example, you could have a mechanics shop where the shop owns the actual building, and that would also be under business opportunity. And then cross property allows you to search all these categories in a single search. And that might be useful because sometimes you'll see that properties might not be in the category where they should be, because people do make mistakes. So especially you'll find it with commercial and business properties where they're miscategorized, and also with the RIN properties, which is the residential rental income. Another reason why you might use cross-property search is, for example, if you're looking for in a specific community, if you want to see what units are available for sale and for rent in a single search. So that would be the way to do it. And then you have the agent search, which you can search for a specific agent, or you can search for a specific office, also known as a brokerage. And then more will take you to a page where you have all the searches listed here, and then you can also search for open houses and the history of a specific listing. And that will conclude this video. In the next video, we're going to jump into how to actually run the search, how to set the different fields, and what type of options you have in different fields. So thank you for watching.
Succeed with Access USA Realty.